You won't believe what Ford just did with the 2026 Mustang 429. Just when we thought muscle cars were fading into history, Ford throws a punch so powerful it shakes the entire performance world. This isn't just a new Mustang, this is the return of raw, old-school American horsepower, re-engineered for a new era. If you've got gasoline in your veins, this is the car your heart's been waiting for. Welcome to Auto Fusion, your home for thrilling rides, power-packed machines, and everything that defines real car culture. Today, buckle up as we dive into one of the most legendary comebacks in recent memory, the 2026 Ford Mustang 429. Let's start with the name. 429. That number isn't random. It's a callback to the iconic Ford 429 Cobra jet engine from the golden muscle car era. It's a name that demands respect. A badge that was once feared on drag strips across America. And now, it's back with modern muscle and a growl that will rattle your soul. So what exactly is under the hood? Ford has equipped the 2026 Mustang 429 with a beastly 7.0-liter naturally aspirated V8. Yes, you heard that right, naturally aspirated. No turbos, no electric assist. Just pure mechanical fury. This engine roars with 550 horsepower and over 580 pounds-ft of torque. It's raw, it's aggressive, it's alive. And it connects you to the road in a way no hybrid or EV ever can. The throttle response? Instant. The sound? Bone-shaking. The torque? Brutal, and the best part? A 6-speed manual transmission, made for purists, with a short-throw shifter that clicks with a satisfying snarl. Ford has designed this car to make you feel like you're in control of a living beast. The exterior design of the 2026 Mustang 429 is nothing short of fierce. Ford went for a modern interpretation of muscle-wide body stance. Flared fenders, aggressive front grille, and signature LED tri-bar headlights that glow like the eyes of a predator. Around the back, the quad exhaust tips and gloss black diffuser scream performance, while the sculpted hood with functional air scoops signals that this is a serious machine. Finished in colors like shadow black, race red, and a new limited Cobra jet blue, the 429 looks fast even when it's parked. The wheels are 20-inch forged alloys wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S rubber, with massive Brembo brakes peeking through. The ride height is low, the stance is aggressive, and the presence? Absolutely commanding. Step inside, and it's a blend of classic cues and modern comfort. You'll see Recaro racing seats wrapped in suede and leather, embossed with the 429 logo. The flat-bottom steering wheel feels just right, with premium stitching and a proper analog tachometer staring back at you. Yes, Ford kept it analog where it matters, but they didn't skimp on tech. You've got a 13.2-inch digital touchscreen running the latest SYNC5 system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, premium Bang and Olufsen sound system, wireless charging, and full performance telemetry built into the cluster. Track mode, launch control, line lock all included. This car is built for both the road and the strip. Now let's talk performance numbers. 0 to 60 in just 3.7 seconds. Quarter mile in around 11.8 seconds. Top speed? Electronically limited to 180 miles per hour, and remember, it's naturally aspirated. No turbos, no fake enhancements, just raw, American V8 muscle. Handling? You'd expect a big V8 car like this to be a handful in corners, but Ford dialed in the MagneRide suspension system for tight, responsive steering with adaptive dampers that adjust in real time. The Mustang 429 grips like a sports car and roars like a muscle monster. What makes the 429 truly special is its philosophy. It's not trying to be an electric futuremobile. It's not apologizing for burning fuel. It's a celebration of what made driving exciting in the first place: connection, feedback, power, and presence. It's a car that demands attention and rewards skill. And this might be one of the last of its kind. As the world moves toward electrification, the 2026 Mustang 429 is Ford's love letter to enthusiasts. It's a bold middle finger to mediocrity, a defiant roar in a world of silent EVs. Only 4,290 units will be made worldwide. Each one will come with a numbered plaque and a certificate of authenticity. It's a collector's dream. And for those lucky enough to get one, it's going to be more than a car, it's going to be history in motion. Pricing starts at $78,900. And yes, it's expensive, but what you get is unmatched. It's not just the performance, it's the soul, the experience, the drama, the heritage, the connection between you and the road, the car, and your instincts. And here's a small bonus, Ford. is offering an exclusive 429 owner track day experience. If you buy the car, you'll get invited to a special Ford performance driving school to master the 429's capabilities with professional instructors. It's an experience most brands don't offer, but Ford knows that owners of this beast deserve something truly special. So who is this car for? It's for the purists, the dreamers, the rebels. The ones who believe driving should feel like a thrill, not a commute. It's for the generation that grew up idolizing the Cobra jets, the Boss 429s, the Shelbys, and now wants to own a piece of modern legend. If you're tired of quiet cars, emotionless EVs, and soulless tech, this is your rebellion on wheels. The 2026 Mustang 429 doesn't just drive, it roars, it growls, it demands your respect. And it earns it. That's it for today's review on AutoFusion. If you loved this car as much as we did, smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more brutally honest car reviews, breakdowns, and the pure passion of driving. This was AutoFusion, where the machines speak louder than words. See you in the next ride.